Yeah, 1 minute. All right. So let us start the session, sir. I hope you know today we are going to planning for project discussion. I'm sure you will understand. So I need your focus actually. First of all, the project is completely related to machine learning. Let me explain. We need to walk through what is the project. So why we need these are all things. Let me explain. 26. Let me write here real-time project, sir. Ecom project also we are yet to do actually. Now the next one is yes, sir. All right. Sir, did you uploaded this one? Yesterday I done actually. So 34, I would like to say, yeah, good. So first of all, let me open the material and I hope would have a separate material for this one. Just we'll follow the material and let us just try to understand. So the project name is called as a purchase intention model. What is the project name? Purchase intention model. Model means I hope you already know algorithm. What is that one, sir? Algorithm. What is the heading? Can somebody talk with me? Purchase intention model, right? Let me take this one. Let me explain this heading first of all. Good, let me explain. Let me give one nice real-time example. You will get a clear picture actually. Good. So let me take from my family. So Daniel, next one Kusuma, next one Prasad. Right, good. So there are three members. Even let me just try to take Pavani, my brother's wife actually. Good. All members we open Amazon. All members we open Amazon. Daniel open morning at 9 a.m. Kusma open morning at 7 a.m. Prasad open afternoon 1 p.m. And Pavani madam open on an average 8:30 actually. It's okay. Time frame can be different. Am I right? Is there any rule everyone should log in at same time? No rules, sir. I hope you know already. Good. So when you're talking about the Daniel, I was searching for some books actually. I always search books in Amazon. I was searching some books on an average. My searching will be exactly 11 a.m. I have stopped, sir. Exactly how much actually? 11 a.m. Can somebody tell me the duration? 2 hours. 2 hours. Now the Kusuma, I hope you already know the dress material. On an average, 1 hour. How long time? 8. The two breakfast time. That's what she is living actually. 1 hour. Now the Prasad, just he won't spend much time, sir. Just 15 minutes. Something like, let me just try to write here duration 15 minutes. Now can somebody talk with me? And the Pavani on an average 45 minutes actually. Right, good. Now you need to understand. Let me tell you what exactly happened. The 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 time when you log in, when you log out, backend Amazon can monitor actually. Backend who will monitor? Amazon. I mean to say that what is your sign in time? What is your sign out time? And it will monitor. Let me ask you a question. Why it is monitoring? Any idea? Yeah, very good. So very good. The first one to provide what exactly? To provide recommendations. To provide what exactly? Recommendations. Now let me reveal the secret actually. Sir, now the point will be at 11 a.m. on an average, I have seen some 5 books, man. How many books I have seen? 5 books actually. As of now, I didn't buy any books. I didn't buy what exactly? Any books actually. I didn't buy. I hope you know I didn't buy in the sense I didn't even spend any rupees actually. But what exactly happened? Exactly 11:15 a.m. Amazon management, Amazon what exactly? Management will get one dashboard actually. Will get what exactly? One dashboard. That dashboard it will be display. Get ready so and so Daniel. He is interested to buy so and so book actually 90%, 95% guarantee. Did you understand? I mean to say that before I am buying only, before what first of all, did I buy? I didn't bought the item actually. Right. Before you are buying only, back end, I mean to say that I open Amazon. I open what exactly? With what intention I open? Either I'm going to buy or not. Either what exactly, sir? I'm going to buy or not. Back end Amazon can do the prediction. Based on that prediction only, you will get a mails actually. I mean, how long time you are spending, what pages you are spending, and they will track automatically. Backend, they will maintain some logging system, which is system actually logging system. From that, they will understand either you are really liking the product or not actually. Right. Now you can just try to please observe here. So and so Daniel, he is going to buy the product actually, but not only just it is telling, it is giving guarantee also. It is giving what exactly, sir? Guarantee. How much guarantee? 95% guarantee. Then automatically backend the mail system will come, it will trigger automatically. Now that is called as a purchase intention model. What model? Purchase intention model. Let's understand one point actually. Once you open Amazon, backend algorithms are looking at you. Which one is looking at you? Algorithms. It will do prediction either you are going to buy the product or not actually. Okay. Now please observe here. E-commerce application goal. If you take, I hope you already know, any e-commerce application company, either Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, Alibaba, these are all. Any e-commerce application main goal is converting browsers into, what is that one? Converting browsers into, generally, I used to open Amazon just for fun. So which new model came, which mobile is good actually, which book came, which dress is good. Just like a browsing will open, but their target will be, so let us convert browsers into what exactly? Buyers. I mean, they will show more interest. They will all Amazon, I'm sorry, not only Amazon, e-commerce always they will try to pull our legs, sir, actually. Boss, so and so discount we are providing. If you are interested, you can just try to, come and buy actually, something like that. Right. I mean to say that indirectly, e-commerce companies know the pattern. Pattern in the sense, they know my pulse actually. Boss, previously the item is the 4,000 rupees actually. Now if you buy immediately, you will get a 200% discount, or else a 300 discount actually, something like that. Then we can tempt, frankly speaking, we can tempt actually. Now the purchase intention model. What is the next one? Purchase intention model. E-commerce purchase intention model predict the probability of each customer making a purchase or not. I know you're all having Amazon mobile, You're all having mobiles and Amazon application, you're all having actual Android application. If you open Amazon, if you are spending 5 to 10 minutes time actually, backend there is a dashboard it is created. That dashboard is visible only to the admin. Only to whom actually? Admin. And where are all 90% is reaching, that is called as a threshold value. If any customer, there is a 90% guarantee, he's going to buy the product means automatically, it will be triggered the mail actually. You are getting the mail because backend the mail is triggered for you actually. That too, if I'm searching for books, I need to get which recommendation? Books recommendation. Algorithms are working. If I'm searching for the book, backend it's supposed to recommend this book is really good. Something like that actually. Once we identify, then we can, why sir? Why it is, looking at the customer actually? Best example. Now you can just try to please observe here. How many members talk with me? There are how many members are browsing? 4 members. Out of 4 members, Amazon cannot target everyone. They don't waste the time, sir, frankly speaking. Instead of targeting everyone, who is on a high priority? Daniel. Why? Because how long time he spent? 2 hours. Then definitely he may buy actually. He may buy. Even there is no guarantee. He may buy. Okay. And second one, Kusma madam also. Now the next one. We will learn here how the model will work, how to create a model, how to build a model. Practical example we are going to see. E-commerce purchase intention model, analyze clickstream consumer behavior data from web analytics platform actually. Now let me just try to open Amazon. iPhone 14 Plus, Amazon. Let me open this one, sir. Sir, the way when you open this mobile, look at this one. First of all, I have given one click actually over this one, right? Now, can somebody talk with me? My mouse is on over what exactly? Image, right? Backend, it will be registered automatically. So and so Daniel already logged in actually. So and so Daniel, this is my especially my login details. And Daniel already, Nirikshan already logged in. And now his mouse is over the name of the mobile. Then next one, he's clicking on rating. Next one, he's clicking on what exactly? 72. I mean, what is the price actually? This is called as a click stream data. What data? If in this space, if you are giving 5 to 10 clicks actually, it will be registered backend in a logging system. Which system actually? Logging system. Did you understand? Good. All right, let's move on. E-commerce purchase intention model, analyze clickstream consumer behavior data. Clickstream, what exactly? Consumer behavior data from web analytics platform. This one will be taken care by big data team. After analysis, it can do the prediction whether customer is going to buy or not actually. I have a question for you. Either customer is going to buy or not. Buy or not. What problem? Classification problem, right? Good. These online shopping models are used to examine real-time web analytics data and predict the probability of what exactly, sir? Each customer making a purchase or not actually. So the retailer can serve carefully targeted promotion to try and, kindly please walk through. Next one. Next important point will be Google advertisements. What is the next one, sir? Google advertisements actually. I hope you already know what is a Google ads actually. Let me tell you. What is a Google ads, Sir, this point you need to understand. First of all, Google company having separate browser. What is this one, sir? Separate browser. Browser name is called as any idea? Google Chrome. What is this one? Google Chrome. Knowingly or unknowingly, everyone is habituated. If they wanted to browse actually, from where they will start? Chrome only. I can give a guarantee. On an average, I can give a guarantee. Minimum out of 180 members, sir. I may not tell 100 out of 100 actually. Are you getting? Yeah, minimum 80 members, they can, even best example, sir. My browsing will start from here only. My browsing will start from here actually. So conclusion of this story, what exactly happened, Google company having the separate browser. That too, first of all, this browser is the free. Am I right? Now, why these guys are giving the free browser, best example, what they will do is they can track all your details, what you're doing, what you're, what you're searching, what you're learning, either at what time you're logging into the Gmail, what is your logout time actually. These are all things, nothing but a data. These are all things, nothing but what exactly? Data. I mean to say that Google company will maintain every person data. Then automatically what exactly happen, Amazon company will think like this actually. Let us having a kind of some deal with what exactly, sir? Talk with me. Google company. Right. Now, what is the deal, Boss, let me tell you. Morning 9 a.m. If anyone is searching what exactly? If anyone is searching anything, assuming that some kind of books in Google Chrome actually. What exactly, sir? Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Kindly please display. Kindly please display ads, in your browser. In your what exactly, sir? Browser. If he is looking into other website actually. I hope you understand what I'm talking. Best example, morning 9 a.m. I open, Google Chrome. Then immediately I have opened Amazon. Then on an average 1 hour I have done the browsing actually. Right. After 1 hour, I open tutorial points. I open what exactly? Do you think I already closed Amazon? Then automatically you can get one thing. What is that one, sir? Advertisements. What is that one actually? Advertisements. That too with the same browser. Conclusion of the story: Amazon company and Google company, they will have a kind of deal actually. Boss, if anyone is searching any books actually, and definitely, Amazon company is supposed to pay money to the Google company. That's called as a deal. Yeah. Amazon will pay the money like a monthly, yearly, quarterly, off yearly, yearly, something like this. Are you getting your one? Amazon company, it is not only having the deal with Google actually, it is having deal with Microsoft also. Best example, not only Google Chrome. If you open Internet Explorer also, you will get ads actually. Why? Because, sir, everything is a business. Everything is what exactly? Business actually. Keep in mind that. Okay. All right. Let's move on. So generally, while browsing, we can see some advertisements, some Google ads actually. Surprisingly, person to person, these advertisements are what exactly? Different. Best example, sir. If Google company is giving any product as a free, don't think like, so that is a free and we are the product to them. Initially, we are all habituated with the YouTube. Am I right? Initially, there is no advertisements actually. Nowadays, man, every 5 minutes advertisement. Actually. Am I right or not, sir? Even if you wanted to see any kind of devotional songs, every 5 minutes advertisement. Surprisingly, person to person, and that too we are getting in between. If you won't like advertisements, go for subscription, 1 month or 2 month. Am I right? Surprisingly, person to person, these advertisements are quite different actually. The point is, Google company implemented analytical techniques. Okay. I mean to say that internally, Google company have created a kind of some platform actually. Let us initially browse everyone. Later on, we can play with the data. Later on, we can play with that what exactly data. All right, let's move on. Next one, workflow of the project. Please understand. Online team, I hope you're following, sir. Can I get a response? Ayesha, yes. Yeah. Let me explain the problem statement. So the problem statement is customer will buy the product or not. So this is what exactly? Classification. E-commerce purchase intention models are classifiers. E-commerce purchase intention models are what exactly? Classifiers. These models are designed to do analysis, web analytics, data, and predict whether the customer is going to buying the product or not actually. So these are all important. Best example, whenever you are opening Amazon, there are a lot of parameters actually, but especially all e-commerce companies, they will target these are all 4 or 5 parameters. The first parameter will be number of times URLs visited. Best example, let me tell you, if anyone really wanted to buy the product actually, frequently we can visit that website. Am I right? Frequently we can visit that, product actually. Why? Small hope, either 100 rupees are reduced or 200 rupees are reduced, or else products are available or not. Someone already bought actually. Nowadays it is displaying. Last month 100 members bought, 50 members bought actually. Only one product is left. These are all pulling the legs, man. And second one will be what exactly? Information about the product. I mean to say that within 1 hour, which product you are browsing more? Either mobile, books or dress. These are all it will be target actually. Recorded the number of each page type visited actually. I mean to say that they're going to recording the number of each page. I mean to say that the type visited, type in the sense either mobile type image or else a dress type image actually. These are all things. Next one, any idea? Time spent on The last parameter is very, very important, sir. If you open simply Amazon, within 1 minute, if you close, they will not target actually. But if you open Amazon, that to on an average 15 to 20 minutes, half an hour to 1 hour, if you are keep on observing, then get ready. You will get a lot of notifications actually, right? Can somebody read what is the first one? Number of times URLs visited, information about what exactly product, and recorded the number of each page type visited actually, time spent on web page. You met previously one student asked a question. So on last parameter, what is the question? Time spent on web page. Hey Daniel, I open in my browser. Let me explain. So on an average, I have opened like this actually. Amazon I have opened like this, and I'm like this I kept 1 hour. I'm not touching anything actually. Do you think they can easy to identify? Either this is randomly open or else you are really in front of the Amazon actually. You just open and you went actually. They will identify. Why? Because really, if you're active customer, your cursor browser will be, here. And let me tell you, now my cursor is where exactly talk with me. It's official, right? It is registered in backend actually. Now, where exactly my cursor will be over the product? It will be registered. You can't believe, frankly speaking. Backend, they will maintain logging system. What system actually? It will be logged. Every activity is logged actually. If you click on this product, it will be logged, everything. Okay, let's move on, sir. Now the next one, important features from the dataset. These are all important features actually. Below features are very, very important from the dataset. From those features, we can apply feature engineering, creating the new features. Based on requirement, few of features, we can convert them into what exactly? Numeric. We need to identify a correlation of target variable also. We can see. Sir, these are all important features. So there are other features also, but from the dataset, these are all important features, especially for the e-commerce websites. What is the first one? Tell me. Day. The day is very, very important. The day in the sense measures the closeness of the visit date to key trading event actually. Why day they will target? Any idea? Let's take Monday to Sunday. Monday to what exactly? They will target either it is the weekday shopping or else weekend shopping. Generally, people will buy weekends actually, weekends. But like us, we can buy, day doesn't matter for us actually. When you are having money, come jump in, jump on, you can buy actually. Next one, operating system. What is the next one? Sir, let me tell you, I'm repeating one more time. If you open Amazon in your laptop, trust me, every laptop having one unique ID. That unique ID is called as a IP address. What is that one? IP address. Automatically, Amazon company will capture your IP address actually. They will capture. They will capture. Whenever you are doing sign up actually, there are some terms and conditions. It will be enabled automatically. Once you're trying to log in, they will try to capture from your IP address. I mean, they can track actually. Right. Why IP address, maybe not required for you. Best example, there are a few customers without sign in, they can do browsing. Am I right? If there is no sign in, how a Amazon can identify? By using what exactly? Yeah, IP address actually. It will be captured. And they will track with Google Chrome actually. So and so person without login, he is trying to identify. Do let me know his IP address. There are a lot of things, man. Next one is what exactly? Any idea? Browser. So the web browser, first of all, day. What is the value? Numerical value. Good. You can think logically. Operating system. Which operating system you are using? They will identify. Browser. Sir, more than us regarding our computer, Amazon e-commerce companies knows very well actually, including your version number, Windows, which version you are using. They knows these are all things. Next one. Here, what is this one? Region or religion, sir? Religion doesn't matter for them actually. The geographic location. I mean to say that you're from which location? Either Hyderabad, Bangalore, within the India, outside of the India. These are all. Visitor type means either you are the new customer or else existing customer. New customer just now created actually. Existing customer. He's coming back again. That's why returning customer. These are all what values, sir? Categorical value. Get ready. Next one, weekend. Either it is a weekend or not. Next one is what exactly? Month. Next one, revenue. Good. Revenue. This is the target variable. What variable? Best example. If I open Amazon, either I generated revenue or not, they will maintain actually. If I generated money, I mean, if I buy the product actually, generated, yes. If I didn't buy the product actually, not generated. Means what exactly? No, something like a false. Yeah, there are two libraries, supporting libraries who need to be installed actually. I hope you already installed. If you want, let me install in front of you. Sir, small update. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow at Naresh Shetty, there was a big program. I hope you know that is called as the internship actually. That's why our generative AI demo was not demo workshop session. Move it, push it to coming Saturday. I expected for tomorrow, but I didn't get a approval actually. And management told tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So they are not announcing any other demos, any workshops actually, and internships they're maintaining. Even I don't know who is the faculty. Did you understand? Tomorrow there is no generative AI session. There is no generative AI session. Even I felt, yeah, let's move on. All right, get ready, sir. Get ready. Total how many pages? Any idea? Total how many? We'll see all these examples. As usual, we are just trying to loading the data set. Once I explain this use case, and next one more real-time project directly I will share with you. You need to walk through. You need to walk through. Okay, come on. Yeah, let me just try to load this one. Demo1.py. Go to, sorry, desktop programs. What is the dataset name, sir? Online shoppers, online shoppers intents.csv. First of all, grab the dataset. Yeah, copy, paste here. Sir, get ready. If you open the dataset, you can see a lot of columns, but all columns are not important for us. And we can apply correlation and you can easy to understand. Good, all right. Now kindly please observe here. How many rows? How many columns? 18 columns. If you want, let me open the dataset. And see, the first column name is a administrative. Next one is administrative duration. We'll see what is that one. Informational duration. Next one is the product. What exactly is related? Next one is a product related duration. Like this, would you have a on an average how many columns actually? 18 columns. Not don't think like all columns are not important. We'll see. We'll see. What all columns are important. Now, can I capture number of rows and columns? Any idea? Shape. Come on, let's call quickly this one. Yeah. So the next one, please understand this. Dataset information. I hope you can call, there is a method. Method name is a info method. What method, sir? Info method. You can just try to observe here. df.info. By this time, you should know these are all stuff. I no need to put more light actually. Kindly please observe here. The first one is a data frame. And these are all how many rows actually? 12,330. On an average, 12,000 plus rows. Good. And these are all columns and the number of integers. These are all any missing value, sir? No missing value. But if you wanted to check the missing value, how to check? Df dot is na dot sum. Very good. Column wise actually. Good. Let's move on. Next one. Let us move on very quickly. Feature engineering. We can move on what exactly? Feature engineering. Get ready. There are two columns. The first column name is a weekend column. Next one is a revenue column. Yeah, you can just try to observe here. Weekend column and revenue column. Sir, having the what data type, Boolean data type. What data type? Interesting. We'll see. The weekend and revenue columns are currently set as a Boolean value. So first we need to convert into what exactly? Binary values. I'm repeating again. Over this data set, we are applying machine learning algorithms. What algorithm? Then definitely ML algorithm will accept input as a number. Accept input as what exactly? Now, where are all categorical data is available? Get ready, you have to please focus. There are two columns. The first column name is a weekend column. Next one column is what exactly? Revenue column. First of all, let us set those columns actually. This method I can cover, hold on. Now get ready, sir. Here, what exactly I'm doing, please observe here. So first of all, we are trying to accessing a column. Column name is a DF weekend. Specific column we are trying to accessing. Let us just try to access. We are just trying to accessing single column. Any idea what we are going to get? Series, very good. Series we are going to get. Please observe. Yeah, series. What type of value? Boolean value. Good. Let us just try to cross verify by calling unique method. What method, sir? Either really, either only, true and false would you have, or else any other values would you have, cross verify. Okay, very good. There are only two values. I mean to say that false and next one is what exactly? True. From this you came across, we have to set the two values. You have to set what exactly? Two values. What are those values, Get ready. Kindly please observe here actually. Interesting. First of all, left hand side, if you are looking at like this, we need to think like, maybe we are going to add a column to the existing data frame. Did you understand that point first of all? Yeah. Repeating again, once you are creating the data frame, left hand side, df of some name of the column. If it is, new column name, then definitely this column name will be added to the existing data frame. If it is the existing column name, old values will be replaced with this operation. Am I right or not, sir? Good. All right. I hope you know this point. I have a question for you. It is function or method? Method belongs to series. Very good. Let me repeat again. Replace is a method which is already available in Python. Which is already available in what exactly? Python. Replace also method which is already available in series also. Now here it is helping replace of first parameter tuple of values. What is the tuple of value? True, false. Next tuple of value is 1, 0. Indirectly you are saying, hello boss, where are all true is available? Replace with what exactly? 1. Where are all false is available? Replace with what exactly? 0. Interesting. Let us just try to apply this. Let me tell you one thing. Sir, there are many ways. Don't think like not only replace actually. There are many ways. And you can just try to follow one or two approaches actually. Take this line and you can just try to apply here. What exactly we done, successfully over, I mean, weekend column having the Boolean value, we are setting with what exactly? Numerical value. What we are setting, sir? Numerical value. Kindly please observe here. Previously, there are some warnings you can ignore. There are some warnings, sir. You can still ignore. No worries on this one. All right. Can somebody help me? What is this one? Weekend value 0 and next one is what exactly? 1. Small updates happen, sir. Good. Next one is what exactly? Revenue column. What is the next one? A revenue column. Let us just try to capture the revenue column also. Whenever you are doing copy paste for this code actually, kindly please observe here. Here I have given a space. We have to delete that space. Otherwise, you will get what error? Nice. Very nice, sir. Good. Again, the same thing, sir. What do you mean by same thing actually? Come on. Here also you need to apply what exactly? Yeah. Kindly please apply a replace also. We are going to apply a replace. So there are two columns. The first one is a weekend column. Next one is what exactly? A revenue column. Successfully we applied. Let me tell you what exactly it is doing. Replace is a deprecated and it will be removed from the future version to retain the old behavior explicitly called result.infer object copy equals to false to up to. Okay, set feature no downcasting actually. It's okay, cool. So indirectly what it is telling, replace method they're going to replicate actually. Let me tell you. Do you know the meaning of deprecated actually? Deprecated means, let me tell you, sir, one point. There are few points you need to understand. Let us take a pandas, especially in pandas series class. What class actually? Series class. Initially, imagine 10 methods would you have in first version. Which version actually? First version. How many methods? 10 methods. Now, what they're planning, when you're talking about the second version, when you're talking about what exactly? Second version, there may be a chance they can add a few methods actually. And they may what exactly remove the existing methods which may not helpful for us. If they are removing, don't think like a complete remove actually. If they're planning to remove, they will tell those methods are called as a deprecated method. What method actually? Deprecated method. But ensure that before removing, they will make it to alternative. They will make it to what exactly? Maybe they are planning to bring any other new replace method actually. This error we didn't get for the previous batch. We can fix this one. But anyway, that's why warning, it is not error. It is not error. All right, let's move on. The next one, let's understand about the visitor type column. Let's understand about what exactly? Visitor type column. Good. Kindly please observe here. So there is a column name is a visitor type. There is a column name is a visitor type. I don't want these warnings. What I need to do? I hope you already know, actually, you guys. Please observe this one. Kindly please observe here. Whenever you're trying to accessing so-and-so visitor type actually, so-and-so what exactly? Visitor type, and we are getting a all values. Let me try to access unique. Let me just try to access unique method. Yeah, yeah, get ready. So there is a column name is what exactly? Visitor type. Visitor type means there are, please focus, this is important. The first one is the new visitor. I mean to say that just till now, I don't have any, not access actually, Amazon account. What account? Amazon account. Just 5 minutes before, I have created Amazon account. Just now I done login. Then I will become new visitor to Amazon. I will become what exactly? New visitor. Returning visitor means, let us take you guys actually. You are already having before 10 years Amazon account actually. Then if you're trying to log in, backend they will maintain so and so person just now logged in actually. Now he's a returning customer. What customer? I mean, he came back again. Previously he was logged in and he came back actually. Can somebody talk with me? What do you mean by other? New customer, existing customer. What do you mean by other? Without logging. Okay, very good. Any other? Nice. Without login is one of the type. Amazon customers. Very good. So this point is something like, admin. Who is that one, sir? Sometimes admins can log in actually to test the application, either application is really working or not. Conclusion of the story. When you're talking about what exactly, visitor type, what is that one, sir? Visitor type. We are getting a three. First one and second one, and next one is what exactly? Third one, right? So returning visitor, next one is a new visitor, next one is the other actually. 1 minute, let me talk with online team. Ayesha, what is the use of these two libraries actually? Supporting libraries, as I told you. Free internship, sir. I don't know, sir. I'm sorry. Regarding internship, even I'm not aware. Just morning only, I got a mail actually. Arati, that's what I told. There are many ways. You can apply. You can apply. Instead of replace method, there are many ways actually. Online team, nobody is not responding. Are you getting everyone? Can I get a response? Yeah, good. Good. Let's continue. Yeah. Now please understand this operation. What exactly we're trying to performing, Visitor type contains either return underscore visitor or new visitor and other value also. Am I right? Good. For us, one value is enough because other value is opposite to what exactly existing value. And now let's do one thing. Add return underscore visitor column to existing data frame. Good. Now look at the output actually. What I'm planning, what I'm planning is from this column, which column actually? Visitor type. I'm planning to create another column. That column name is a returning visitor. What I'm creating actually? Returning visitor. I mean to say that if the visitor is trying to returning, I'm planning to make it as a 0. If it is a new, I'm sorry. It is, what is the value actually? 1. And if it is a new customer, what we are planning actually? 0. I hope Titanic you have practiced actually. Male or female. What is that one? Male or female. Instead of maintaining male or female, what you can do, where are all male is available, replace with 1. Female is available, replace with 0. That's it. Something like that. Right? Yeah, let's move on. Now, kindly please observe here. Yeah, I have a question for you. Get ready. We are creating a condition. What is a condition? Df of visitor type equals to where are all returning visitor is available. The condition is going to true actually. If the condition is going to true, any idea this where we have seen? Very good. Where we have seen this example actually? Exactly in feature engineering we have seen. Especially how to impute the missing value. During that scenario I have seen actually. How to filter the missing value, especially outlier missing value. Did you remember that one? Yeah, that's what I'm telling. By looking at the function, you need to understand where exactly we discussed actually. If you want, still few people are looking at me very seriously. Did we really discuss it actually? So let me show you. Hold on. Be patient. I will show you. Part number 1, sir. Thank you. Let's move on. Yeah, not this one. Exactly here. Now kindly please observe here. In a feature engineering, if you understand how to handle the outlier actually, like a where here, I'm sure this example you will understand very clearly actually. That's what it's a very simple. Now coming to the discussion one more time. What I'm telling is, let me tell you, sir. First of all, how many values would you have? 3 unique values. Let me ask a question. Which values are less values? Can anybody guess actually? Less values. Others. Very good. Why? Because admins are very less members only. That's why, according to the project, they are not bothering about this value. They are planning to cover this value and this value. Maybe they are planning to create one column. That column name is a returning visitor actually. Where are all returning visitor is available? 1, 1, 1, 1. Where are all other value? Other in the sense either this one or this one. They're making what exactly, sir? 0. That's it. Okay. Come on. Otherwise, in a simple, for your better understanding, what I can do, we can filter other and we can drop. We can filter other and we can what exactly? I hope you know how to filter. Please don't ask a question. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you know very clearly. You are too smart actually. Very good. Now let's do this one. First of all, let me create a condition. And let me just try to add this one. Now let me help you. Good. Now we have created a condition. Sir, where are all this condition is matching? Replace with what value? 1. And if this condition is a false, replace with a 0. Replace with what exactly? 0. I have a question for you. Why we are replacing with ones, zeros, one zeros, one zeros? Any idea? You have a clarity, I guess. Very good. Let me just try to move on. Very good. DF dot what exactly? Head actually. Kindly let's move on. Just we are doing feature engineering, sir, as of now. Import numpy as a numpy, right? Numpy or numpy, sir? Yeah, good. Kindly please observe here. Almost weekend, revenue, returning visitor actually. Yeah, good. Let me ask you a question. This returning visitor column came from visitor type. Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? Then do one thing. And that column is not required. Which column is not required actually? Visitor type is not required for us. Did you understand? If you wanted to understand this one, you have to understand especially. Please What exactly we are doing, sir? From by taking this column, we are creating another column. Column name is a returning underscore visitor. Then, this column is not required for us and we are going to drop that column. We are going to drop that column, spend some time, then you will understand. Now you can just have to take this one. As of now, how many columns actually? 19 column. Now we are going to drop. Yeah, 18 columns. Now the next one. Month column, sir. What is the next one? Month column. Right, good. Now let me show you the existing code. Don't think like, so these are all, we are already well known actually. Let me show you the actual code. Copy, paste here. Kindly please remind me this I need to upload. Open this one. And I already created a program actually. Good. This is the exact code. Even the example project I have run in a Notepad++ actually. These are all importing libraries, man. These are all importing libraries. The importing library number started from 8 actually. What is the line number? 8. And till where it is ending, on an average 48. Yeah, no doubt in that. Till now we have imported import pandas as a py, numpy as a np, but we are trying to importing all things in one shot actually. Yeah, in real time, importing libraries a lot, right? Now move on to the next one. Yeah, this is something like ignore the warnings. Very good. Next one is what exactly, sir? Talk with me. Loading the data set. Yes, we are loading the data set. And next one is what exactly? Feature engineering column. And what columns actually? Weekend column. Next one is revenue column. This file I will share with you. Right. Move on to the next one. Next one, just now we done these are all. The next one is what exactly? Month actually. And let me show you the exactly where real time it will touch actually. Sir, this is the real time. Special. Get ready. We are going to create a function. This function having on an average minimum 50 lines of the code actually. Actual real time you can fill here. There are two functions like this. There are two functions like this actually. Try to understand these two functions. Then it is very easy. Any project will follow this kind of template and framework. Very easy. First of all, that is a Python code. Am I right? I will cry if you didn't say yes actually. Right? Yeah. Sir, if you run this example, it takes minimum. Can I run in front of you? Let me run. It takes some time to get the output actually. Just I will run and I will ignore. Yeah, first step is running. Required library is imported successfully. It is taking some time backend. See, library. Yeah, good. Pipeline object is a not able to check fit parameters, sir. Sir, small changes happen. You can try to debug another setting actually. So definitely some debug issue. We can fix this one. We can fix this one later. But let us move on to the discussion. 1 minute. This code is updated when 2024 second month actually. It's okay. So I will update and I will upload the code actually. But meanwhile, let's just try to move on with the discussion. And I have already created a one more Jupyter, and this you can also follow. You can just try to follow this code also. There is a small code update actually. Let me check why it is not running. There is a pipeline. We are just trying to getting an error for the pipeline actually. We'll see. I will fix this one. Meanwhile, come on, let's move on. Fine then. So let us continue. Let me ask a question for you. Come here, programs, open this demo 1.py. I have a question. What is the first one? We are importing the libraries. Next one, loading the data set. And we done feature engineering. There are on certain columns actually. First column name is a weekend. Next one, revenue. Yeah, next one, returning visitor actually. Good. And we are dropping so and so column visitor type, which is not required for us as of now. Good. Now the next column name is a month column. Get ready. So we do have a month column name in a data frame. By default, this column type recognized as what exactly? Object means string type. Sir, I hope you already know. By default, if a date column having date values, it cannot recognize actually. Then let us apply what exactly? Ordinal encoding over this column. Good. Hold on. Hold on. Kindly please observe this one. df.d types and kindly please focus on month column. What column, sir? Month column. Good. Let me just try to capture this one. Yeah. Let me ask you a question. Can somebody help me? There is a month column. Where is a month column, sir? Exactly. What is the data type actually? Talk with me. Object. What is the data type? Object. Good. So now let us just try to access unique values actually. To access the unique values, you can call this one. Sir, when I'm talking about the month actually, started from, January, right? Why February? Talk with me. Yeah, good. So first one is, tell me what is the first one? February, March, May, October, June, July, August. I have a question for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 2 months which is not available. What are the months? Any idea? First one is a next one, April. Means that 2 months transactions data we don't have. Why we don't have? Definitely there is a client meeting. So it is missing. Is it really the correct data, or else, the 2 months data was hidden from the data set actually? Definitely there is a client meeting and discussion actually. Now, what exactly we are planning, here? I hope you already know what exactly we are applying. Any idea? Ordinal encoder. We are simply creating an object and we are calling a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. Good. Let me just try to call this one. Yeah, yeah. We are running 1 minute. 2.2. It's okay. Let's run very quickly. Come on. Unique we are accessing, and we have just we are importing the class name is a ordinal encoder, and we are creating an object. By using that object, we are calling a method or function. Method. We are just trying to converting this one into ordinal encoding. Please understand this. Yeah, sir, I hope it is done. February. What is the value? 2. Which value is the one? Any idea? Which one? December. Good. Now, if you want, you can cross verify month value. Before applying, if you want, you can cross verify. After applying, if you want, you can cross verify. You will get a clear picture. Which month value belongs to which one? February 1st. I mean the second. December. What exactly? 1. So these are all we do have a started from 0. Which one is the 0, sir? August, according to the alphabetical order. Am I right? Any questions here? Let's move on. Very quickly, let's move on. Now the target variable is a revenue column, right? Revenue column is the target variable. Now let's check value count. Sir, this is really interesting. Please observe here. Interesting actually. What is the value underscore counts, right? Yeah. Either it is method or function. Any idea? Method. Which column? Yeah. Which object actually? Series object. Let us capture this one. And before printing this one, I have a question for you. df dot shape. df dot what exactly? Shape actually. Good. Please look at my screen. So total how many rows? Any idea? Can I delete? This is not required. 1 minute. First of all, total how many rows? Any idea? 12,000. Yeah, 330. Out of 12,330, I mean to say that total 12,330 logins it was noted actually. Out of that one, 0 means they didn't buy. They didn't buy actually. 1 means what exactly? They bought the items. Yeah. Talk with me. How many people are not buying? 10,000 plus. How many people are buying? 2,000 actually. Now you need to understand many people are just for window shopping actually. First 2 point you need to understand. Am I right or not, sir? Is everyone is buying? If you open Amazon, are you going to buy? No. Conclusion of this story from here you need to understand. In the given data set, this is the one of the reason we need to tell to the client. What is that one? Boss, on an average, total percentage wise, we need to show. On an average, total 12,000 plus, logins I have seen. Logins. I'm not talking about customer actually. Why? Because a single customer can do many times login actually. Are you getting? Out of 12,000 login times, and I came across 10,000 time logins. No one didn't buy. No mercy. No one is not buying actually, and they're saving their money. And on an average, how many members? I can say 1900 members. How many members? They bought the product actually. Very good. Next one, correlation. Next one is what exactly? Correlation. Repeating one more time. In the given data set, that column name is a target variable. What variable, sir? Target variable is a revenue column. What is a column name? Revenue. Right. Now what we need to understand is, with respect to this target variable, all features, what is the relation you need to understand? Let me show you what exactly I'm talking is. Let me tell. Let us take column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. Yeah. And let me take target value. Let me take what exactly? Target. Target in the sense column number 6 is the column number 5 is the target actually. Just imagine. Now, column number 1 and column number 5 having what relation? Either it is, if it is 0.95, very strong relation, sir. Very what exactly? Strong relation. I hope you already know. Just previously, I already explained by using XC-boost. Which one I have explained? XC-boost. And before XC-boost, we already covered correlation method. What method? Correlation method. Good. 0.02. Do you think relation? No. We can just try to keep it away. Next one, 0.7. Tell me. Yes. And next one, 0.5. Tell me. Yes. What are all columns are having really good relationship actually? C1, next one, C2, next one, C5. Am I right or not, sir? I'm sorry. C1, C3, C4, really having a good relation. Now that relation we are going to find out actually, right? To find out that one, what we need to do, simple, simple. Let me drink water, 1 minute. Good question. So one of our teammate, what madam is asking, Hare Daniel, can we add Gekulu project in what exactly? Resume. The answer will be yes, by changing the terminology. By changing what exactly? Terminology. Terminology. What do you mean by that? We should not do copy paste. Best example, if you're planning for healthcare domain, that keywords matters actually. Whenever you are adding any project in your resume, that keywords matters. That keywords. That is nothing but a changing the terminology or else a keywords actually, key terms. Key terms. In your resume, that the terms are it is displaying, that really very good actually. But total code you can take. But theory we should not add directly. That I can help you how to add actually. Sir, nowadays, even if you want domain knowledge, actually, let me tell you, ChatGPT is literally very good, more than Google. If you wanted to understand healthcare domain, a kind of some machine learning project, actually, ask to Chat. Sorry for saying, ask ChatGPT. It is giving nice information, sir. It is giving what exactly? Nice information. You can ask me also. I'm not skipping. Good. Let's move on. And one more question I have seen. What is the question? Aisha Reddy will see. Ayesha. I'm sorry. Because machine don't. Yeah, all right, let's move on very quickly. Sir, these are all theory. Hold on, I will cover. I will come back here actually. Very quickly, I wanted to run one example so that you will get a very clear picture. Let me run one example very quickly. Correlation I'm trying to run. Not even this example. Heat map actually. Exactly this example I'm looking. This example I'm looking. Even not this one. Revenue column I need at a top actually. I will tell you how it came top position. Very good. Now please observe this output actually. Observe this output. First of all, would you have a data set? In our data set, would you have a respected features and target? What is the target? Can somebody tell me? Revenue. And all others are what exactly? Features. All others are what exactly? Features. Even though if you don't have a domain knowledge actually, first you need to apply this operation. From this operation, you will understand, target variable and feature having the relationship or not. I mean, which target variable having strong relationship with the which feature, first feature, second feature, or third feature actually. Simple, we need to call a correlation method. What method? Correlation method actually. Good, let me tell you. Sir, so and so person, either they are going to buy the product or not, how it will be decided, the first point will be number of page values actually. Am I right or not? Best example, how Amazon will identify either you are going to buy the product or not, how many times you have visited the page actually. Best example, I'm looking for Samsung mobile. Which mobile? Samsung mobile. How many pages I have visited? First page, second page, third page. First page in the sense you opened Samsung 10 version mobile. That is a page number one. You have seen some details actually. You have seen some reviews. Then you are closing that one. You are opening one more page, which is related to the Samsung too. Samsung. Then either you are going to buy the product or not, it is depending upon page values. It is depending upon what exactly? I have a question for you. Are you getting or not? Are you getting? Can I get a response? Good. So I mean to say that revenue column and page values column having what exactly? Strong relation. Revenue column with respect to the revenue column having strong relation. Revenue with the revenue 100% actually. Revenue column with respect to page values actually. What is the relation? Any idea? 50% almost actually. Best example, Amazon can decide either you are going to buy the product or not actually. If you are visiting number of pages with the same product, it will decide. And second one is what exactly? Any idea? Product related information. What kind of, best example, you open Amazon for the mobile buying actually. How many times you are looking at the information? How many pages information you are looking actually? That is important. That is how much, sir? Any idea? Just a 15% only. But at least it is having a relationship. Can I ask a question? Positive relationship or second negative relationship, sir? Positive. I hope you know correlation we already covered actually. Product related is important. Next one, product related. What exactly, sir? Duration. I mean, duration. How long time you are spending with the product? How long time you are spending and you are reading the reviews actual? Am I right? Sir, let me ask a question. Nowadays, if you wanted to buy a small mobile, tell me the pattern. Searching, open Amazon. Next one, what you will do? Very good, exactly. I mean to say that the duration really matter. How long time you are spending with the page? That is called as a duration. That is called as what exactly, sir? Duration actually. Information also really matter, but information is 0.09, almost very minute actually. Now out of these, that's what I told, all columns are not important actually. Out of all these column, there are top three features actually. What is the first one? Page value. Next one, product related. Next one, product related duration. The first two three values are really very important. Really very important. Did you understand? Good. Now let me run this example very quickly. I can even explain the code, don't worry. Let me run this example. Yeah. Yeah, kindly please observe here. Revenue column with the same revenue column, the respect to 1%. 100% is the, next one is the page value and a 0.50%. I would like to say here we are calling a method. Method name is a correlation method with respect to the revenue. I need to apply all these one actually. I will explain one by one. You will understand. Now, once we are getting the result actually, we are just trying to applying the sorting value. What we are applying? Sort underscore values. Ascending equals to what exactly? False. Now go back. And now I need to help you actually. Go back. I skip the theory, right? I skip the theory. Now understand here. Sir, there are different correlations in terms of the math also. One of the correlation name is called as a Pearson correlation. And we can check which of the features are correlated with the target variable by using what exactly? Pearson. Whenever you are calling correlation, CORR method, by default backend in a math, Pearson correlation function, it will trigger actually. Page value columns, just now I have shown actually. There is a column name is a page value. The strongest predictor of what exactly, sir? Conversion was the page values column. Best example, if you open Amazon, the strongest conversion, I mean to say that browsers convert into what exactly? Buyers, depending upon this column. Depending upon what exactly? This column. What is the column name? Page values. So this column contain the page value metric. This is obviously higher for customers who is going to view the product, basket and check out the page actually. So it makes total sense that it plays what exactly? Significant role. Second one, how to identify customers interest. How to identify what exactly? Customers interest. Customer who have viewed more product pages and spend longer time at them were also much more likely to have what exactly, sir? That is an open fact, open secret. Everyone knows. If you wanted to buy any product actually, generally we can open, we used to spend a lot of time over that product actually. Customer who shopped using specific browser. Next one, specific day shopping like a weekday or weekend actually. These are all important parameters. Important parameter, kindly please observe here. In this example, the required columns, there is a one column I'm ignoring that you can add also. Please observe here. Till here, I hope you already know. Result equals to df dot columns of. Any idea what exactly I'm doing? Yeah, I'm just trying to applying a slicing and we are capturing the columns instead of 0. What I'm capturing? 1. 1 to all. 1 to what exactly? All. I hope I no need to run this example. If you want, I can run. Yeah, see, don't look at the previous code. Next one, create the, sir, switch on this light also, please. This light also. Is it fine for you? Please. Fine. Good. Let's continue, please. Now create a data frame. It looks good, I guess. No. Hmm? Create a data frame with required columns. So simple, what exactly the same example I have taken? Yeah. We are creating a data frame by taking these are all columns actually. The specific columns we are taking. You can run this example too. Now the next one, correlation method. What methods are correlation? Look at my screen. Over this data frame, we are calling a method. Method name is what exactly? Correlation. Did you remember in machine learning, while I was explaining about the R value, which value? I call this method. I'm not sure either you remembered or not actually. Am I right? Good. Please recall the same stuff actually. Whenever you are calling CORR method, like a correlation method with respect to the data frame actually, this is the result we are going to get, sir. This result is called as a, this method, it will apply, let me show you. On every column, what this method will do, look at my screen, everyone, please. Yeah, look at my screen, everyone, please. What this method will do is, first of all, it will take all columns on an average, assuming that 17 columns would you have. How many columns actually? 17 columns. First column, row and first column actually. What is the first column name? Administrative duration, and this is the row, same column having the strong relationship. Best example, sir. I myself having the lot of confidence. Am I right? Same thing like that. Same column having what exactly? Strong relationship. And second one, informational column having what exactly? Strong relationship. I mean to say that this column relationship is the 0.3. But in real time, this is called as a heat map actually. We no need to display this heat map. What we need to display end of the result, let us take a revenue column. What column? Revenue is, why revenue I'm talking? Target variable. You have to always try to identify target column with respect to the feature. What is the score that you need to recognize actually? Are you with me? Good. Let's just try to walk through that example very quickly. Correlation method will bring a heat map result. What results are? Heat map result. Yeah, whenever you are calling this one directly, according to the column orders, we are getting a result. According to the column order. See, previous code and this code, only this is the difference actually. Only this is the difference. What is the difference? Here with respect to the revenue. If you are deleting that one, all columns with respect to the same column. But I don't want that one. I need what exactly, with respect to revenue column. Let me run this. Please understand this. We are getting a series. We are getting what exactly? Series. But I need a sorting order. I need what exactly, sir? Sorting order. Let us apply sorting order very quickly. Come on. If you apply sort underscore values, sort underscore what exactly? Over this object, we need to apply sort underscore values. Ascending equals to what exactly? False. Let's apply this. Very good, man. I hope you understand. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good. Come on. Let's move on very quickly. I hope you understand. These are all examples. Move on to the next one. Creating the training and testing data. It's the right time we are moving. We are planning to create what exactly, sir? Training data and what exactly? Test data. I hope you already know. We just need to, we are going to create the data preparation, X and Y separately, and we are going to call a function. That function name is a, yeah, first of all, let us separate the data. X equals to drop. If you wanted to get the all features separately, just from a data frame, drop what column actually? Revenue column. And take the separate this one. I hope you already know these two stuff. Many times we covered actually. Yeah. So these two, just to know the information. I mean, these two objects we are not using actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah. These two objects just to know the information. Let me run. Features and target is created. Move to the next one. Train and test data set. Come on, sir. We can split the data by using what function? Train underscore test underscore split actually. What is the ratio? 70-30. First of all, this not required. Why? Any idea? By default, it will do the same thing. Very good. You got a good idea over this function. Let us just have to call the same thing actually. We need to call the function, but seems to be here import is missing in the document. That function we need to import. Now you can just have to. If I am running this code, what is output, sir? Name error. Very good. Yeah. Catch this function. You can just have to add here. Let us run. Splitting the data also done, sir. Splitting the data also done. Good. So please observe here. Drop actually we done. Here onwards important, man. Here onwards important. Get ready to understand. Good. So first of all, what is the topic name? The topic is called as a machine learning pipeline. What is the topic actually? Machine learning pipeline. So seems to be, let me just try to take this one. What is a pipeline? Why this pipeline? These are all things you need to understand actually. Good. Let me tell you. Sir, can I ask a question? Uh, till now we done feature engineering. What we done actually? Feature engineering. What is the first column name we applied actually? Tell me. Weekend. What is the first column name? Weekend. Second one is, come again. Revenue also we applied. Third column name is visitor or something. And like this, we applied a few or all things. Let me tell you, feature engineering we applied manually. We applied what exactly? I mean, being a ML engineer, you should be very careful about what is the first feature, what is the second feature, what is the third feature, how to apply. We taken care actually. But pipeline means, let me create a one small function. Let me create what exactly, sir? Simple, sir. Pipeline means what exactly, Let us automate the feature engineering. Let us what exactly? Let us automate. What exactly, sir? Automate. Automate feature engineering. Automate feature engineering means I don't want to apply manually. I'm going to create a function. I'm going to create what exactly? Function. I will provide data frame actually. Then that function will do automatically. Where are all category variables would you have? And that function takes care about that one. It can recognize that function. First of all, are you getting? Let me repeat one more time. Till now, feature engineering, we applied manually. We applied manually means just try to go back. This is the manually. We are taking the column and we are applying this kind of operation. We are taking this column and we applied this kind of operation actually. But instead of this one, do we have any other alternative? Yeah. In machine learning, we have one alternative. That alternative name is called as a pipeline. What is that one, sir? Pipeline means what you need to understand, I don't want to do manually. Sir, definitely speaking, feature engineering takes a lot of time. Why? Because, on an average here, how many features actually? More than 10 features. Just think like, more than 100 features, more than 200 features. It takes care a lot of time. Instead of that one, let me automate feature engineering. Let me automate what exactly? Very carefully, you need to design one function. This function you can apply in your real-time projects also. That function I'm going to reveal with you. Are you with me? Good. Conclusion of the story, this function, what it will do, it takes the data, it processes the data, it cleans the data. Where are all missing value also available, it will handle actually. Outliers also it will handle. Being a feature engineer, what you are doing, everything this function will do actually. Are you with me? Good. Let me tell you. First of all, it is not a predefined function. We need to define actually. Come on. This is the process of automating the workflow of complete machine learning task. Let me repeat one more time. Yeah, I need a flow, man. I need what exactly? Flow. Tell me the flow. Data. Next one is data frame. Next one is feature engineering. Next one is array. Next one is ML algorithm. Next one, gradient descent algorithm. Next one, cost function. Next one is what exactly? Cost function. Sir, when you're talking about the feature engineering, you can do manual. First of all, you should be very good in manual process. You should be what exactly, sir? Very good in manual process. Once you are very good in manual process, learn how to automate. Learn what exactly? How to automate. First of all, if you know how to do manually, automation, it is very easy for you. This is something like, initially I told do practice in notepad. Manually you are doing. But if you open Jupyter, print will come automatically. Print will come what exactly, sir? Automate. Did you understand? Good. Conclusion of the story. This feature engineering, for this feature engineering, we can create a pipeline. We can create what exactly? Pipeline. Pipeline actually. So this is the process of automating the workflow of complete machine learning task. This is having group of steps like a data to be transformed. Come on, look at my screen. This is having group of steps. When you're talking about the pipeline, it is not like a one step actually. Internally, it is having some group of steps and procedure. And the first one will be data to be transferred. Data to be what exactly? Sir, go back to your code actually. Here we are transferring from categorical value into what exactly? Numerical value. We are transforming. We are transforming. Good. The next one. And correlated together. What exactly we are doing? Correlated. I mean to say that if there is no relation, it will make some relation actually. In a model that can be analyzed to get what exactly? Output. Second point will be a typical machine learning includes, that point is important, sir. The third point is important. When you're talking about the machine learning pipeline, first of all, it is taking raw data as input actually. It is taking what exactly? Raw data is input. Next one, features. It can identify the features. Next one, outputs. Which one is the target variable? Next one, model parameters. Next one, ML models. Next one, prediction. Man, lot of things it will do. Lot of things. Yeah, first one. Talk with me. First one is what is that? It is taking, raw input. Next one, features. It can recognize. Output it can recognize. ML models it can configure. And it can do the prediction also. It can do what exactly? Prediction. Good. Pipeline also having sequential steps. Pipeline also having what exactly, sir? Sequential steps that perform everything like a data extraction, data pre-processing, model training, and deployment. You might heard about here and there ML ops actually. Am I right? ML ops. You might heard here and there. Exactly. They will do by using pipeline. They will do by using what exactly? Pipeline actually. Let me tell you. Yeah, pipeline also having sequential steps that perform everything like a data extraction, pre-processing to model, training and deployment machine learning in a modular approach actually. Out of all points, the third point is important. It means that the pipeline, each step is designed as an independent module. I will show you that step. And all these modules are, tied together to get what exactly, sir? Final result. Get ready. Creating a model pipeline. We are going to create what exactly, sir? Model pipeline. Good. Now, I will take the help of from existing code actually. Existing code. Let me just try to open. Let me explain the function. Function definition won't change actually. But this code is giving small debug issue. I will run and I will fix later. Now get ready, sir. Step number one, we done. Importing the libraries. Step number two, creating data frame successfully. Step number three, feature engineering done successfully. Feature engineering done successfully. Adding so and so, returning underscore visitor column. Applied one hot encoding successfully. Next one is what exactly, sir? Checking correlation. Next one is data preparation. Splitting the data set. Now model pipeline. This I need to explain. Are you ready? Come on, let me explain. Good. Kindly please observe here. Nothing is there. It's a very simple. First of all, let me take the backup. Let me take the backup, sir. Why? Because if this file is gone, nothing is there. Here you need to create a function. Function name is a Daniel, or else function name can be what exactly anything. Here, what is the function name I'm taking? Model underscore pipeline. Model underscore what exactly? Pipeline. Okay, good. There are two parameters. How many parameters? Two parameters. What is the first parameter? X means very good features. Next one is a model. Good. Keep in mind that this function is taking two parameters actually. First one is a input. Next one is a model. Good. Let's move on. Sir, let me ask you a question. Inside that input actually, inside that x variable, all things would you have. I mean to say that integer values, categorical values, boolean values, all values would you have. Am I right? Good. Now, what is the next step? This function, it's supposed to separate what are all integers separately, what are all categorical values separately. Am I right? Are you with me? Good. Now please observe here. That step it will do automatically. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Look at my screen very clearly. Look at my screen very clearly. Now this step try to understand. This step actually. What exactly we are doing? X dot select underscore d types. X means data frames are simple. From the data frame, we are getting X value. What value you are getting? Then the return type is the data frame only. Inside data frame, there is a method. Method name is a selects underscore what exactly? D types. Interesting. Inside data frame, there is a method. Method name is a hello boss. I'm planning to select the data types. What is the data type? Exclude object. Exclude what exactly? Means I don't want to access object actually. Exclude object in the sense what exactly? I need a numerical value. I need what value? Numerical value and other data types actually. Good. Now we are taking that column and we are converting into columns dot attribute dot what exactly? To list actually. I mean to say that whenever you are calling, it is giving some index actually, but I don't want to index. Can I convert into list? And we are converting that one. Did you understand or not? I have a question for you. First of all, whenever you are calling this function, you need to provide the input as a feature, means nothing but a data frame. Now, immediately in the line number 213, what exactly here we are doing is, boss, separate the data. I mean to say that first exclude the objects. Exclude what exactly? Object actually, right? Good. The second, yeah, here I'm giving the name of the variable. Name of the variable name is a n underscore c, means numerical columns. What columns are? Numerical column. Good. Move on to the next step. This step you need to tell what exactly happening here. Very good. I hope you understand. If you are having the data frame, assuming that in the data frame, we are having the mixed data type. What data types? Like a number and what exactly categorical data. What data? Now here onwards, you need to understand based on data type, who can apply filter. Based on data type, who can separate actually. You no need to write your own code. Automatically one method would have that method name is what exactly, sir? Select underscore D types. And previously, what is the keyword argument? Any idea? Exclude, exclude. And now what is the keyword argument name? Include. Seriously beautiful. Means there are two lines actually in a model pipeline function. Important, sir. In real time, every project we are doing these steps actually. First two lines, what exactly we are doing is taking the data frame, separating which columns is required for you, which data types is required for you actually. Did you understand? I need a response. Move on to the next one. Next one actually. Simple. I'm planning to create a variable. That variable names will be, yeah, n underscore c. I planning to give numeric columns. And next one is what exactly? Categorical columns. Okay, good. Here we are getting all numerical column values. And here we are getting what exactly? All categorical column values. Are you with me? Good. Next one. This is important, sir. Please focus. Please focus. Simple, nothing is there. We are creating an object to whom any idea? Somewhere we have created for this one. Okay. I'm sorry. That too strategy. What strategy we are taking actually? Constant strategy. This kind of discussion, feature engineering, I have covered actually. Whenever you are filling the missing value, there are some few strategies. That strategies we need to follow. Repeating again. First of all, we are creating a function. Function name is a model underscore pipeline. What is the function name? Model underscore pipeline. Taking a two parameters. First parameter name is a features. Second parameter name is a model. Whenever you are calling this function, you need to provide the data frame. Over the data frame, we are performing an operation. Over the data frame, we are performing what exactly? Operation. Can I say this is the parameterized function? Sir, basic fundamental you should know. Can I ask a question? Is it pure Python code or not, sir? Pure Python code. You need to understand. Yeah. So I will do one thing. I will share the code till here actually. Otherwise, I will share the material. I will try to share the material actually, and kindly please walk through this code also. Sir, there is a small issue. I need to fix that code and I need to share actually. The file which is not running, I should not share. This file I may not share with you. Let me fix that code and I can update actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, good. Control Z. Maybe you may ask why it is changing, why you are getting error. Simple, sir. The reason is what exactly, the library got updated actually. Small issues we can fix. Bhupesh, you can. Let me upload. Bhupesh, there are two ways actually. So with without splitting and with splitting you can do. Let me tell you one thing. When you're talking about the machine learning, it's not like there is no fixed process actually. Even yesterday I already told model evaluation. You need to apply train underscore test underscore split. You need to apply grid search CV. There is no fixed steps. These are all we need to do here and there. Okay. Your point is absolutely valid. I will accept that one. I need to upload, first of all, document. Running notes, I didn't written anything, sir. I no need to upload the running notes actually. Did I written anything? No, nothing is there in running notes. Let me write here ML M2N project. ML N2N project. On an average, 10 plus algorithms we are running. 10 plus algorithms we are running. You will see how we are running 10 plus algorithms over the one problem statement actually. Let me upload very quickly. As of now, I'm planning to upload only the dataset and PDF actually. You can just try to come here. Data PDF, let me upload. Dataset also let me upload. And the running code I can upload either tomorrow. Online shoppers intention. Final code actually. I already updated, sir. Maybe system path for material, running nodes. It's okay. Let's move on. Good. Tomorrow, either we are having the session or not, actually. I can update you over Google Classroom. Morning, I have a session. Tomorrow, Saturday morning, I am taking session actually. Evening, I will see according to the discussion. All right. Sir, get ready. Connect with me, few guys. Already I have prepared a profiles actually. Weekend time, I will get some free time. During weekend, especially on Sunday, I'm having some free time actually. You can connect with me. I'm happy to help you. Fine, right? All right. We done for today's. Did I miss anything? Data set I have uploaded. Next one is material I have uploaded actually. Just till where I executed, you can try to execute actually. Okay, fine then. All right. Online team, we done for today's session. Sir, can you give me your phone number to connect for resume for job actually? Keshwa, I hope you already texted. You are from USA, right? You already texted and I called, but you didn't miss my call. Let me text you again one more time. Okay. All right. Thank you.